Enhancements have been made to the validate model function in Civil Designer version 9. The validate model function has been made much faster, and the ability to fix certain validation errors has now been built into the validate function. There are a number of reasons why you may get validation errors when validating a surface, namely duplicate points, points that only have one line linked to them, lines that are coincident or lie on top of each other, points that lie on another line but don't actually split the line, and finally crossing lines. So now, whilst running the validate model function, you can scan the sites for duplicate points and have them removed as you would normally do with the Survey Applications editing remove duplicates function. You can also check your site for crossing lines and have these removed, and additionally you can check the site for outside perimeter errors that might occur after, say, using a polygon clip, and then have the triangulation fixed on the perimeter. So a couple of options, and you don't necessarily have to validate when running these additional functions now in the validate model operation. So just removing duplicates, let me just run that quickly. So I get an output in the output bar. So you can see the speed as well has been improved. Just using my spacebar to repeat the validate model function. So I'm looking to fix some crossing lines. I've identified in this case one crossing line. I picked that up with the shading of the surface. So there was one line that runs through over there. Let me just show you what that looks like. If I switch on the point heights, you can see there are the points. These lines are crossing each other over here. So I can have that crossing line removed by running that model validate model. I'm running these individually, but you can run them simultaneously, all of those fixes. Okay, so fix crossing lines. You see that line now get removed. And then model validate model one more time. I just want to show you I've got a outside perimeter issue. So sometimes when you use the polygon clip, you would find that the triangles around the edge of your surface are not nicely connected. So I'll just fix that issue. And you've got this option then to ask me first, so it'll actually zoom into the area and it'll ask you for confirmation to fix it. So just run that. So picked up an error, and connecting line not found is the error message. Potential fix is to remove the highlighted line. So I'm just going to proceed with that. And voila, those few errors were causing my shading to not actually happen. Okay, so the model validate model function now has some additional functionality built into it just to speed up the validation process.